So it has taken about 7 months, but with our first baby's birth getting closer and closer, I had to admit that it was time to move my office downstairs. So that is exactly what we did. I'm now in the basement, and I actually think it's a much better setup both for working, but also for making videos like this one. So in this video, we will talk about what I've changed and what I've added and why I think it's a much better way forward. So stay tuned. Now, as much as I liked my old space, I found that the dark greenish color was a little bit limiting for video. And I also found that that dark color behind the screens was causing my eyes a little bit of strain in the evenings when I was working. Now, that's not a huge deal. That would have been easy to solve, but it's something that's worth keeping in mind, right? And I was really inspired by a Think Media video that talked about creating a versatile backdrop. So I'll link to that video in the description because I think it is so helpful. But I found myself even then restricted because of the budget that I had. So after moving everything into the basement, I bought this Yongnuo YN360, which is like a cheap and cheerful little LED strip light with some great reviews. But I thought it would do the trick, and to be honest, it didn't. While the difference is definitely noticeable, and it looks pretty nice with my Govee LED strip on the back of the desk, it didn't quite have the impact that I was hoping for. So that was a problem. And I didn't want to spend that kind of money again on another light just to put on the other side. I thought it was too much just to light a desk, right? So I wanted to find a cheaper solution, and that is when I came across these amazing little globe smart bulbs at Costco. I realized that I could replace the standard bulb in my lamp with a smart bulb, which would not only give me the color that I was looking for, but it would also give me a huge amount of versatility, as it's super easy to change to any color I want as well. So that was great. And it came in a multi-tap pack, so I stuck another one just on a cheap little $5 lamp stand that I found on Facebook Marketplace, and combined with my Neue, I don't know, CN160 pointed at the back of my head right now, and with these two soft boxes right here, we were ready to go. So as I mentioned, what I really like about this setup is the fact that there are a bunch of different options for colors that I could use in the future. So check this out. And on top of that, because it's all smart, I can control it with my Echo Flex as well, which is pretty cool. I'm really happy with how it's turned out so far, and obviously I would love to get a better wash of color on the background and maybe some art as well to really bring this space to life, maybe some more lights, I don't know. But I think it's getting there. Let me know, what do you think? I would love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know if you have any constructive advice for me on how to maximize this space. I'm still figuring this stuff out, and I would love to hear what you think. If you found this video helpful in any way, do let me know as well. I find it so encouraging, and I make videos every week, so I'd be super grateful if you would consider subscribing and joining me for this adventure. So that is it from me in the Office 2.0. Have a fantastic week, everyone, and I will see you very soon. Bye.